everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are heading to Chappie Brown. Well, you know, just to give you an overview, it's really Sunday morning and we are on our way to church. However, we just take a short detour to just go and see Chappie Brown. Reason being, he called us yesterday in the evening and we did promise. He called us yesterday in the morning, however, and so we had said to him that we would come in the evening because he was saying that he has been sick for about 2 weeks, which we didn't know, mostly because he doesn't have a working phone. He had one but it's not working right now, so I believe that he got a call from someone to call us. So we did promise him that would come yesterday evening. Hi.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Fine.
I am fine.
Yeah, do that.
Oh, where you can't play with the scissors.
They look nice. I'm going to do a video.
I want to tell you.
I'm doing
No, I'm fine. One boy that hit me.
I'm cutting the
Stab
knife.
him.
You stab him with what? With scissors? You know if you play with scissors, you know
Because he leave me, I never did. I couldn't fight, so I stab him. I can't fight.
So what teacher say? Why you never got a teacher?
Teacher not did. He only had chat.
Mm-mm.
You don't stab him.
God, Jesus.
Just give
What
me-
you got to do with you? You don't know, not true. Hi, pretty girl.
You just say, how you don't go back around a Chappy?
Around here we are going now.
Around a Chappy?
Yes,
Chappy
but
can't see?
eh?
Chappy can't see?
You can't see?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm seeing what between no thing. Yes, I do. You can't see.
You can't see. Me no like see I play with the scissors though. You have to put up here. Put up here and carry go give mommy. Somewhere mommy there.
The home.
Somewhere you own the on the road.
Because my sister was in the summer. Give me my daddy.
Oh, your mommy there this song.
My mommy.
Oh, your sister and her mom.
You can't video me?
Why? If you me no want to put it on YouTube.
Are you too happy?
So you want me to video? You don't know which party I go. Eh? You alright though?
Yeah.
Alright.
I have something for you when we come back here. Alright,
baby.
You can't help her, you know she don't have it.
Eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, later. They're not easy at all. Alright guys, so just a brief stop there with some children that we normally see on our way to Chappie. Just stop and have a brief chat with them. They're so funny and old, you know, when you say like boy them oldie. But anyhow, so we promised Chappie Brown that would come yesterday evening, which would be Saturday evening, but the rain started and so it was raining quite heavily and we did not get to go because one of the reasons he called us was to say, you know, the fact that he was sick for 2 weeks, he never have nothing. You know what that means? He didn't have anything. So at home we never had any stock or grocery items either, but someone had donated. So we have an anonymous donor, husband and wife, who donated to 2 people on our program, one being Chappie Brown. So we had planned to go to him, but it wouldn't have been until during the week, maybe Monday or Tuesday. But because he called and we see the need, we said that, you know, all right, we did not get to go last night and we don't know what is happening. So we are taking the journey this morning. So it's 10:46. Church starts from 10 o'clock. It's Sunday school. 9:30 Sunday school. However, we missed that because we really wanted to come, and then we had some other things going on to work them out, and so church service will start at 11. So we are hoping that, you know, we'll go. Well, maybe we don't reach 11 o'clock, but you know, we will reach. So we're going to deal with Chappie, take care of him, and then we can, you know, head on to church. But I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to both but I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to both anonymous donors, husband and wife. Thank you so much. God richly bless you. You came through just in time because, see, Chappy Brown called us and he didn't know that we have anything. He was just asking, you know, how we can help him and so on. But nonetheless, we were able to find him some lentils because the Rasta man, he don't eat certain things. So Marcel and I, we kind of dig up and we found him tuna. Him eating tuna, we found him tuna, like peas and lentil and those things, cooking oil and so forth. So, you know, he'll have that, and then what was donated, he can use it to do whatever it is that he wishes to. So we are pretty close. It's just that the road bad. So if the road never so bad, we would have reached and maybe turned back already, but you have to be picking the road. So yeah, so that's it. And in the meantime, while we journey to Chappie, just want to say a special thank you to everyone who continue to support us. Thank you for your calls. Thank you for your donations. Thank you so much for watching us all the time. We do appreciate it. And God bless you and your family richly. Alright, so we just about at Chappie gate.
Turn it, you know, I just park right.
And then we just go right up.
So that means you're there in the road, you're not going in the bush.
Yeah.
Alright, fix up better and so. In the bush, not sure.
Alright guys, we are in church mode, and so we're gonna head up at Chappie real fast. We have a crux for the road.
Well, me not change. You can't change.
So we're gonna go up real quick. You have that thing I gave you, Marza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You want me to take the lead?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Why?
Just lead this
Mine is stepping out of something there. Look like a dog.
dog stuff. Ooh.
Chappy, I gotta keep you up wrong there now.
Can't stay too long this morning.
I stay one long. Chappy have guava up here. Mine is sliding up.
Guava, enough, guys. A lot of guava juice.
Yeah, guava and plum. Chappy have plum on the tree, you know?
Yeah. Whew.
Yeah.
I hope him up there. He should be up there because he's sick. And if he's sick still.
And yesterday you said that?
He was sick for 2 weeks, so we don't know if him get better or it's ongoing.
He might get better.
Huh?
He might get better. Yesterday you said first he come out. For about 2 weeks.
Yeah. Okay.
He door open. He door open.
Yeah. That's good news.
I pay mud there, so you know.
I know, like
me mud up.
And it's slippery too. This look like a freshly dig drain.
Come.
Okay.
You see which part to walk?
Go
Right to the camera there. Walk there.
I don't know where camera there.
Just don't take panic. Chappy Brown. Yeah, I said Chappy Brown. Yeah, do. Oh, yeah, beard have on clothes. How can I beard that? Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Pepper pantry.
Yeah. Marcel, upon the stick you walk a while ago?
No, upon the board, I walk, not stick.
Yeah, fortunately drop this morning.
But you're wet bad, you know. And Chappy wet up here.
Wow. Not much, Chappy. What's up? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we couldn't get to come yesterday.
Yeah, I'm serious, so I couldn't spend nothing to say about that.
So how you managed last night?
Last night, they did come and carry out 2 chicken foot come give me.
Oh, okay, good.
Chicken foot, never no say chicken foot, man.
Just train one pot with 2 plant and 2 banana.
Yeah,
So no good.
yeah.
I'm good.
So you eat chicken too?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
the chicken man. All the chicken meat cause can't bother with some of my meat you much.
Yeah.
One.
Okay. So Chappy,
Yeah.
so what you say? You were about to say something.
Yeah, me there man. Feel some little sickness catch me where there man. About couple week or 4 last. As he could have come and carry food, but when he said I got on our work, he said never get to go.
Oh,
So he come long weekend and stay in there, me show him. I say me there, no far long, foot long now and go to over there, so man.
Okay, dark room.
I'm aim. The foot go down in a hole.
where? In the yard or over the farm?
Go, ask me I go over my ground, let's say. What a day me and them, so someone when come cut some yam thick there. And so when I way me have to walk. So me I say if I could have screech if you go through, walk apart. And my foot go down in a hole and me have a water jug I carry. And I fling it and balance by my shoulder. I say, shoulder, give me a hard kill. And, you know, beside when I pass the board over there, so again with them job Tuesday. I peel and I say, see brother, I know me say I bed and I couldn't get up. I couldn't walk come out, so the man come and say give me park and I say, boy, yeah, you have to walk over here.
Yeah.
Get up and I have to go up on the bed, go up on someone and I have to go back down on the bed, so I can't turn up, I can't sit down, I have to just drop on the bedside. So we use some hot water and some salt and kerosene and bunny. Hot water and warm kerosene and bunny and some ointment where they give me them, I use it. That's how all what they done, little bit of them, use them. I know yesterday morning, I get up and never feel so. Friday evening, I feel so bad, I could get a bed.
Yeah.
I'm going back yesterday, I did a good now yesterday morning, I get up good and then I get up, I just started happening. I said, what kind of pain? So I say, I wonder if I guess. So I don't know what, I can't get like easy walk around here, so this morning I get up and get a bed around me.
So when you call us, which what you did there?
Right here, so.
Oh, somebody come and you get a call?
Ziggy did come.
Oh.
Ziggy did there, it come since morning.
Yeah.
And gone.
Okay.
I want to piece of chicken and carry the come food come give me.
Oh, good.
Never come.
Yes.
So I know saying.
Yeah, thank God for that because we
man,
never
give
have.
Thanks and praise, man.
Yeah, we never have any of those type of things.
This morning I say, boy, so me I say this morning, I say to myself, I say, boy, sometimes you have things and you get you, you have your money and you get you and you still can't see, but after nobody will you give a look for you. But at least, you know, so come here, I say, but Father God, you know, say, you give some people some things and they don't even recognize, say, or you do something but they don't even recognize, say, that's something you do. They don't realize.
You still get the blessing, you know?
Then, so hear me now. One day if me feel do the same thing. I mean, one slang up on the better reason before I come here, you know. So one day if you do the same thing, I say, but what me I go do? I say, but after you give it, if you give things, some people never recognize, you do nothing to them. So you have to just not realize nothing then. So you have to just do what you have to do.
Yes.
You have to just do what you have to do. Not a joke.
Keep giving, it will come back to you. Maybe not from the same
every day
person,
I say that, you know, you have to just give, you know. And sometimes I have a change and give you, every time I can't express me get back what change, you know.
Yes.
Even if I gamble me win, you know. You understand? So I just, sometimes I just go along and I say, I just go on.
Yeah.
Just go on.
Yeah,
So every day I give thanks still.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna come to stay.
Yeah, I realize that
Guess what happened?
How you realize?
they're not busy.
Oh.
That church where you going now?
Yeah.
Oh, my ass still come.
Yeah, man, because with
I'm a so me want you yes night guy tell I go see place no blow up more man and his in blow up him music push on back 2 months from yesterday. Put on back 2 over back tie it back there so me. What I want to so blow up as all this man come here to in say if he just tell the brother when he can come start the place with me man. I place cool. I run back no cover up and breeze and everything are coming in and the wet up. So Likkle room there so me near to this so just so in even you know.
Okay.
And it cool me I say boy see can do with it.
Yeah. And who make those for you? What their name again? This
And my son and him see one me I tell.
Okay.
So him may wait pan fi start up the engine cause him work with someone.
Yes.
He do cry work so he work with someone and them just come in come beat up the time pan him.
Okay.
I just that so me can't rush nothing so as me can't do proper do me I do. But if me pay somebody to do it, I do it already so but me still have to wait pan him. Cause him come and do all of them there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Chappy, based on what you said yesterday, like I said, we don't have no rice, flour, those things right now, but we make a package for you. So we have like, you know, the beans and stuff that you eat, oil and, you know, those little things.
Yeah, man, that's how fast. Sometimes I just back up the one still, you know.
Yeah, so these are yours.
What me tell you, if you can check me where they are coming,
oh, whenever they're here. Whenever they're here.
Thanks.
And also, we have 2 anonymous donors, husband and wife, and they send something for you.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
So.
Give thanks, man.
Yeah. All right.
Me come,
because the place wet.
I wonder what a church you now go, man.
Yes.
You know, say me I want half an banana, me papa have couple fingers on me. I say me I left yesterday when I come to go this morning.
That's all right, man. You're not forgiving nothing today. We good.
Them 2 plants.
Well then there, you have them there? All right, we take that. But you're not forgiving nothing else today. Next time when we come.
Yeah, car.
You know, but they are when you come back.
And Ziggy, me left here again, I will come and shell and come.
Thank you.
Yeah, only outside, so
yeah, it's dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you look like you got church with you.
Yes. You look like you got church with you.
Yeah, man, that's why I can come. Oh, me just say no, yes, me never want you to hear, so you know. For a man, if you give me one little change, says me if you buy zinc and if you help me, I say all that material and send back the paper to him. And I'll know me no hear no something from him. So me want to show him, say, boy, I mean, I want poor condition, you know. But you're not going to have time for you if you do what you do now. I mean, I want you to do it. And if I even go to a place, I'll get bust up more.
When we come back.
Yeah.
You understand? You want your house and fix it as long as you build, huh?
And when I come at the house,
like when long as I done?
Start. Like when it's... Yeah, me come at the house.
When you done, now when it start?
That is how come at the house. But they will show you, I'm just sending it in go give me can see.
Pay more around this door.
Me can't, yeah, man. That's why me look for that man coming never know, so no come there.
Yeah.
Maybe me have to come long there. Look your shoes, man.
Master, your mosquito. You not kill me today, though. In Jesus' name.
Come.
Alright.
So, differently.
Yeah.
Thanks again, man. And
yeah.
Give thanks to everybody who remember me and send things come give me because sometimes I tell somebody I want it.
Yeah.
I tell them, nah, man, it's 2 weeks, you know, it's rough.
Yes.
Since I already, so then, you know, about 3 weeks, what I pay and I see this, I couldn't say nothing more, I could just give God thanks.
Yes.
My sister they call her and say if I want to go to the doctor, but I say no, I don't go to the doctor. He said, yeah, he can't go to the garage, but he don't know. He says, it's alright, make it stay. But I me do me feel like better, so I know myself.
Yeah.
And yes,
Not worry yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So, Chappy, you know, say when we come, we always, have a long talk.
Yeah, man, but Tuesday I go to church, and where you come, me say we give thanks and glad to see you. So
Yeah.
come again, see
And the
you.
road look wet too,
and
so.
the place wet up.
Yeah.
So me not, nah.
See, me have to hold on to this drum, because I want to skate.
I told me that I wash me, then me be there, but then I wet up place, so.
Yes.
So some water, so make you wash yourself.
Oh, okay. All right, so,
And I have some feel kind of.
the pain, same way. You get medication, by the way?
It's a medication done now.
Uh-oh.
I went. It's supposed to October if you go back.
Okay.
October.
Well,
It's supposed to October 1 day if you look back on the paper.
to the clinic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Paper. And I say. One take out the prostate cancer doctor when he said me. I remember what did go on, but he said me. Me have one paper to go back up. When me got one June with the eye, but boy, I mean, I know about 4 years now to blood plate doctor help me see this eye.
Are you a seat?
I'm gonna see. Hey, me going out. Me get people to go back again now. 1 year, you know? Yeah, boy, sometimes, boy. I met the doctor say me now come back up there, you know. Because after they now do nothing to you, and he say, me must still come because some that ain't
You when you go?
No, I'm going to fear.
Oh.
If I'm here, go to a bus house and I'm going to have me different, me not pay. Because public. So I must make me a struggle, so.
Oh, boy.
Every time I go back, I have to come back. For how much year now, you think?
You said 4 years?
About nothing days or 3 years. I tell you a good time now.
Yes.
And I go on a 1 year, 1 year before I go back again, 1 year again, 1 year again.
Then 1 year I give
P 1 year.
when you reach 80.
But why so long though?
Then me lift the doctor go somewhere else.
So I want different one.
And what might be if I try one doctor, one different Cuban doctor, me have it glimpse
I
better.
try public system, man. Go a private doctor, that bit.
But me never have money that time, but if me, since me take out, if me go on girl, I tell me go on doctor don't call much. Cuban doctor say me could have a check.
Okay.
You know me, I say, boy, me never want nothing more to know where against the car.
Yeah, God do your work, man. Just talk to God, you do it for you.
Yes, indeed. Alright, Chappy, we're gonna leave now.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Come on.
just want to say thank you to the donors who sent something for Chappy.
Yeah.
God bless you richly. We are more than appreciative. And to everyone else, thank you so much for your continued support. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, give thanks, man. Love work, happiness, man. I say nothing, man. I slowly do it.
Yes.